Welcome, welcome, welcome to the Cash Cow Flyer Program presentation, people. This is the Cash Cow Program. You can go to www.cashcowprogram.com to see all the flyers. We have about 54 flyers right now. Again, that's cashcowprogram.com. Simply give me a call, 832-906-6411. That's 832-906-6411. Here's a note: when you call, the lines are just ringing off the hook. What we want you to do is speak clearly and slowly. State your name, the purpose of your call, and the best time for us to call you back, and someone will call you back. Many of you are excited, and we are excited for you. We are very excited for you. But if you're speaking so fast, we cannot get the information we need to help you participate in your own financial rescue, because that's what the Cash Cow program does. We're going to help you make the money you need coming into your mailbox with our hot money making flyers. Now, what I want you to do is simply go down to the bottom and click on the subscribe button, okay? And click on the notification bell so you get all my important updates, and like and share this video with someone. All right, now this hot, sexy mama flyers is really picking up steam here, okay, in our program. That's why I'm presenting this to you today, because it is really picking up steam. Ladies, you're out there, you want to pay attention to what I'm talking about, because most of the women are the ones that's leading the way with this particular flyer. So give yourself a hand, ladies. Look at the person next to you and say, we are really doing it, and you can do it too. All right, now I want you to imagine earning $3,000 to $24,000 weekly. Okay, now that's $3,000 is a short term. You can do this. Actually, you can do $25,000 in 1 month. You only need 5 people. All right, and I'm going to go over this with you. All right, now when you get started, all right, and someone join you, they're going to send you $3,000 and 5 books of stamps, or $4,000 and 5 books of stamps, or $5,000 and 5 books of stamps. That's what a person is going to send you when they respond to this flyer, and they're going to send it to you FedEx overnight. Okay, that's what we request, that they send it FedEx overnight. Sometimes they send it priority mail. That's fine too, but you get it in the average time is 7 to 10 business days. Okay, 7 to 10 business days. This is such a beautiful flyer. Now, when you get started, what I'm going to send to you is 1,000, 1,500, or 2,000 hot buyer leads for you to send this amazing flyer to. All right, and I have some bonuses for you getting started too. All right, that's what's going to happen. You're going to have all the support you're going to get from me simply picking up the phone, giving me a call, 832-906-6411. That's my number, 832-906-6411. Again, leave your name, number, and the best time for me to call you back. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to set up a marketing plan for you. You're going to tell me what your budget is, and I'm going to personally help you set up a marketing plan, and we're going to get it. All right, the Mailbox Cash Money Marketing Kit. This is an amazing marketing kit. All right, here it is here. All right, now I'm going to explain this to you, because if you're tired of being broke, people, I'm going to show you the money. All right, this is the order form for that marketing kit, but you're going to get this free. All right, because there's other people in network marketing and other people in direct mail coming to cashcowprogram.com, and they're ordering this because it works. Look at this, 125. Go to cashcowprogram.com, and you're going to see those tabs. And when you hover over one of those tabs, especially when you get to the marketing, click on it, this is what you're going to see. All right, now let me tell you about this. Now, the marketing kit, it takes a lot of time and effort I have the best companies, people I spoke to that had agreement for the cash cow flyer program that they're willing to do certain things for us. All right. You can have for some of the nurses and things like that, what they're doing, or professional people, what they're doing is they don't have time to stuff envelopes. So there's a company we have that will stuff your envelopes for you. Okay, I have a certain envelopes that's an ad. It's a picture and an ad on that outside of that envelope that's going to help get that envelope open. Okay, so there's a company that could do 200, 300, 400, however many you need, stuff them in the envelope for you, have my ad on the outside. They can seal it or unseal it in case you want to put a postcard in there or another flyer in there. You can do that as well. And they will send it to your address. And all you have to do is put your hot buyer lead and stamp on there and drop it in the mail. This is a nice program to work with kids. Have them work with you and you reward them for what they're doing. How about this? Look, 100,000 of your flyers, two-sided, black and white only, okay, for $155, people. You do not have to pay for stamps. You do not have to pay for the leads that go on the envelopes because they have their own clientele. For $155, they're going to send out 100,000 to their clientele. Can you imagine how many people that they're doing that for? And all they got to do is click a button and send it to all their people. Okay. Now, there's places online where you can place your ad that I wrote. You just simply copy and paste it. It's going to be in the mailbox cash money marketing kit. All those ads on places online, you can post ads. Where I get my stamps from 29 and 39 cents is in here, people. Okay, where I get my leads from, where I get my hot buyer leads from. And see, I track my leads. I know which one is working the best. Okay, how to get 2,500 color flyers, two-sided, color flyers, two-sided for $87, people. That's amazing. How about 5,000 colored postcards, two-sided for $99? That's the marketing kit. Okay? And that's just some of the stuff that's in there. All right. Now let's get back to this girl right here, the ladies. All right. Now, also what you're going to get 4, 5, or 6, depending on where you get started. $1,000 in fast food restaurants coupons of your choice. Now these are restaurants like Denny's, Olive Garden, IHOP, Ponderosa Steakhouse, Outback Steakhouse, okay, places where you go sit down and eat with the family, all right? And then of course we have the fast food restaurants, which is Burger King, McDonald's, Wendy's, Arby's, Subways, Popeye's Chicken, okay? Places like that where you could just go through the drive-through. You get to choose the coupons you want for places you know you go. You can't lose that way, and all the savings. Okay, $4, $5, or $6,000 in grocery coupons of your choice. Now, my story is when I went to Walmart, my groceries came up to $190, $190 plus. Okay, by the time when they were done and I gave them the coupons for items I had, guess what? Under $100, people. Under $100. So I saved $100. Okay, I keep myself well groomed inside of the particular Walmart that I go to. They have a nail salon. Guess what I got? That day I got a pedicure manicure. How about this? You've been stuck in the house for quite some time because of COVID, but look at this now. 4, 6, or 8 3-day, 2-night mini vacation packages. We're taking care of the hotel accommodation. All you have to do is get there. That's all you got to do. Or 2, 3, or 4 8-day, 7-night vacation packages, people. Now you can really do some really relaxing, all right? Because we're taking care of hotel accommodations for that. And that's as simple as it. Now here's how it works, all right? When someone gets started, they're going to send you 3,000, 4,000, or 5,000 cash, okay, and 5 books of stamps, okay. Now, here, they're going to select 3,000, 4,000, or 5,000, all right. Your name is going to go in box number 1, or your company name is going to go in box number 1. Okay, you can have your email address or you can have your phone number here. It's your choice. Now, here's the amazing thing. Everyone get paid the same. When you get at the 3,000, okay, or the 4,000 or the 5,000, guess what, people? You all get paid the same. There's no skipping over people. This is no MLM. This is no gifting, okay? This flyer can make you some serious money. When someone gets started with you, your name going to move to this box here, or your company name. Going to move to box number 2. People, when you get to box number 2, now what you have is a residual income of 3,000 and 5 books of stamps, 4,000 and 5 books of stamps, or $5,000 and 5 books of stamps, people. Just 3 people, that's 15,000 right there. Okay, and another 300 stamps to send this flyer to, people. Now you're saving on postage. There was a reason why I put this together, okay, with the stamps, to help you save on your money. Save the money. Because if you're getting stamps, if 10 people get started at 3,000 people, that's 30,000, and guess what? All the stamps you can even think of having. And all you got to do is simply put them in here. Now what I'm going to also give to you is the Broke No More 100. You're going to get this flyer free, okay? You have the potential of making unlimited $100 and 5 books of stamps, people. Unlimited $100 and 5 books of stamps in your mail. And look at this right here. All right. You go here and they're going to continue to send you that. 105 books of stamps with this flyer. Not only that, but I'm going to also give you the Abundant Stamp Program. This is going to give you an extra, you can earn an extra $50. For them to get started with that, they're going to send you $50 and they're going to select 100 stamps, 200 stamps, 300 stamps, or 400 stamps, people. This is what I'm going to give to you. You have till the end of August 2021 to act on this. I'm giving you a full 30, well, plus over 30 days. If you're listening and you're seeing this opportunity, people, you want to jump on this. You want to jump on this, make a note, get on this now. Your name, address, go here. Okay, a company name, address, go here. Phone number, go here. Again, once you get right here, people, you're going to have unlimited $50 and up from 100, 200, 300, or 400 stamps being sent to you in the mail from people you don't know. You're in business for yourself, but not by yourself, people. And that's what the Hot Sexy Mama, what we have to offer to you for this. Hey, go to cashcowprogram.com. That's cashcowprogram.com. Okay, give me a call, 832-906-6411. That's 832-906-6411. We look forward to hearing from you. And remember, speak clearly and slowly. These young ladies are waiting to help you. Okay, this can be a very good Christmas for you. Think about the things you want to do. Also, each time someone gets started, it helps support our prison ministry. Okay. Also, what I'll be providing for those of you that's getting started is when you need help with your credit, I do credit repair. I'll help prepare those letters for you. See, because it's not about how much money you make. It's about how much money you make, you get to keep. Remember, your thoughts determine what you want, but your action determine what you get. You can make 25,000 easily with this flyer because you only need 5 people sending you $5,000. 5 people sending you $5,000 and 5 books of stamps, people, with this hot, sexy mama flyer. That's how you can do that. Have a great day, evening, night, whatever time it is where you are. This is Rick Reed here with the Cash Cow Program. That's www.cashcowprogram.com. Good night, good morning, good evening, whatever time it is where you are.